Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt. In case you don't know who I am, welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading. Today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use Tradovate. So the Tradovate platform is a web-based platform. You can also get it in a software version, but I am using the web-based version. So you don't have to have it downloaded to your computer. You can access it anywhere. It's stored in the cloud. To go ahead and get set up, they have its dashboard style, so you can click on Add Modules. I currently have my setup saved as a template, so no matter where I am, I can go back and forth. Like I can click this and it will load another template I have, as you can see. I can go back in and change it back. When you first get in, it will be the dark default looking like this. So we're going to use this to set it up how we want and go from there. So first off, you can grab the tabs and put them anywhere you want. So I like to stack similar items together. So right now I have both DOMs stacked together. I can grab and auto fit it how I want on my screen. Say I don't want the performance center, I can click this X and totally get out of it. Now it fits up the screen down here. And let's say I want to only look at this chart. I can click full size and it will open it up to the full screen, and I can kick it back down. Going into a little more detail here on the DOM, this is where we're selecting how many contracts we're placing at one time. We can buy at the market, meaning we'll immediately go long, or we can sell at market, or we can put sitting orders down on the DOM as well, which will appear on the chart. The chart trader on Tradovate is great. You can put sitting orders wherever you want, and all of that will happen. You'll see them correspond immediately. Also on the DOM, you can go to Settings, Show Histogram, so you can see volume. You can also go and look at Settings, and you can look at like your estimated P&L and change different colors that you would like. I always have estimated P&L, so I can see general prices here and the histogram volume. So like right now, you can see all the volumes being conducted at 2883. Similarly, on the chart, you can do the same thing. Go to Settings. You can go to Bar Countdown and do Enabled. So if you're on a time-based chart like this one for 5 minutes, you can see that we are ticking down here. Additionally, you can go to Settings, go to Global Crosshair to where, like, if I'm looking at the ES chart on both, it would be on. Same with orders. This is another interesting feature here, Auto Fit Chart. You can turn it off, and if you save it, you can zoom out and actually move your chart around. A lot of people ask questions about this, because if you don't do this, it will be stuck. It'll always kick back. So as far as actual like information in the chart, what you can do is go to Settings, click on MES, and here you're looking at just the bodies of the candles. So you can change the colors, the number of bars that you're looking back. If you're looking at like Heikin-Ashi, Renko, whatever you're wanting to look at there, you can look at different types of charts here. This is a Renko chart. I can also, instead of having to go back into the chart, click on this and go straight to bars. Or candles, right? If I want to add indicators, there's a little option here, and I can add any indicators here that I would like. So here's VWAP. I already have VWAP added in. Say I want to change the color, I just double click that and I can either remove it or change the color to purple. They also have a bunch of community indicators, explore community indicators, and you can add these into your chart as you wish. Lastly, they have templates here, so like if I wanted to add, let's just say the Y. Let's add the YM. I'm automatically using the template as opposed to just like keeping it into a blank chart. Yellow means that you don't have live data. White is live data, so that's something to keep in mind. They do have challenges over here, notifications, news, different preferences that you can go and explore. Here are alerts, so if you want to receive alert if price crosses a certain point, you can do that here. You can also do it from the chart, I believe. Maybe not. I guess it's just right here. So you can do different types of alerting. So if any of the conditions are met, or like a simple like symbol crosses a certain price, right? So last price crosses that. You can set an alert there. Lastly, they do have a lot of different options over here that you can drag and drop onto your dashboard. They have options chains, news, the spread, different types of coding that you can do, order tickets. If you're wanting to place an order ticket as well, you can go up here and place your order this way. Or you can just do it from the chart. And they do have integrations with Ticker Talker as well. So that's just a very quick overview of what we have here. A lot of this is good to just like explore yourselves. But this is the current setup I'm using. If we go to full setup, this is my exact replica. If you are wanting to copy my screen of what I'm looking at, I have the histogram over here. So histogram, I always add volume profile into my things, and cumulative delta. Trying to think if there's anything else that's I always add in. Time period. You can roll your contracts forward or backward here as well, something to watch out for. And if you don't want to be able to trade on your chart, you can take this off to where you can't do any orders at all on here. It's just purely charting. That's a safe way to do that. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in the next video or live stream. Go ahead and check out the links down below for Top Step, and join the group chat if you're interested. Peace.